Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Anomaly Detection. Identifying unusual patterns. Fraud detection. Imagine you're a security guard looking at a security camera feed. Anomaly detection is like your AI security guard, automatically spotting unusual activity, like someone climbing the fence instead of using the gate. In coding terms, it's about finding data points that don't fit the normal pattern. Let's say you're a bank. You want to spot fraudulent transactions. Normal transactions look like small purchases or regular salary deposits. A fraudulent transaction might be a huge, unexpected transfer to a foreign account. Anomaly detection helps identify these outliers. Think of a scatter plot. Normal data points cluster together. Anomalies are far away from the main cluster. Anomaly detection algorithms identify these distant points. A basic approach is to calculate the average transaction amount. Anything significantly higher than the average could be flagged as suspicious. We can write a simple script to do this. We'll show you the Python code. More complex algorithms exist, like k-means clustering, one-class SVM, isolation forest, which can detect more subtle anomalies in more complex datasets with many features. Amount, location, time of day, etc. We will briefly touch upon these. We'll walk through a simple Python program using the average method. You'll see how easy it is to write code that detects anomalies. We'll use a small, sample dataset to make it easier to follow along. Anomaly detection isn't perfect. Sometimes normal events might be flagged as anomalies. False positives. We'll discuss strategies to minimize these errors. We've only scratched the surface. This is a great starting point to explore more powerful machine learning models for fraud detection and anomaly detection in general. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.